Welcome to our video on the topic of quantum computing and its potential impact on the future. Quantum computing is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we process information. It has the potential to solve problems that are currently insolvable by classical computers and could lead to breakthroughs in areas such as cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. With the race for quantum supremacy in full swing, it's an exciting time to learn about this cutting-edge technology. In this video, we will focus on the basics of quantum computing and how
quantum mechanics at its core is a change to the rules of probability. And this is also where the power of quantum computing comes from these different rules of probability than the ones that we are used to.
how it differs from classical computing. We will also discuss the current state of quantum computing, including the companies and organizations competing to develop the first practical quantum computer. We will also touch upon the potential applications of quantum computing, including cryptography, machine learning, and drug discovery.
Are closely related to probabilities, but they're not probabilities.
So, what exactly is quantum computing? It is a type of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to process information. It uses quantum bits, or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously superposition and can become entangled, allowing for the processing of vast amounts of information simultaneously. In contrast, classical computing uses classical bits which can only exist in two states, 1 or 0, and process one bit of information at a time. This makes quantum computing much faster and more powerful than classical computing for certain types of problems. Now let's talk about the race for quantum supremacy. The current state of quantum computing is rapidly advancing, with many companies and organizations actively researching and developing quantum technology. Some notable players in the field include Google, IBM, and Alibaba. Google recently announced that it has achieved quantum supremacy.
How could you possibly concentrate all this amplitude on the right answer when you yourself don't know in advance which answer is the right one? Well, this is exactly why designing quantum algorithms is so difficult, and why,
Meaning that its quantum computer was able to perform a calculation that would be impossible for any classical computer. IBM and other companies have also made significant strides in developing quantum computers, with IBM offering access to its quantum computers via the cloud. In addition to these tech giants, there are also a number of smaller companies and startups, such as Rigetti Computing and IonQ, that are working on developing practical quantum computers. Governments and research institutions around the world are also investing heavily in quantum computing research, and many have established research centers or
we have a whole field that's been studying it for decades. It carries away information about whether that qubit is 0 or 1. So for example, if that information gets recorded in some radiation that's escaping from the quantum computer, then the effect on the qubit will be exactly as if someone had measured.
Partnerships focus on advancing the field. Now let's discuss the potential applications of quantum computing, starting with cryptography. Quantum computing has the potential to break many of the encryption algorithms currently used to secure online communications. However, it can also lead to the development of new, more secure encryption methods that are resistant to quantum attacks. Next, let's talk about machine learning. Quantum computing can be used to train and run machine learning algorithms.
This is sort of the central thing that quantum mechanics says about the world, right? That the way that you describe a physical system is by a list of amplitudes, and the way that a physical system changes over time is by a linear transformation of these amplitudes.
Potentially leading to a new generation of more powerful AI. Quantum machine learning algorithms can process and analyze large data sets much faster than traditional computing systems, and also can provide new algorithms and methodologies that enable ML models to perform more accurate predictions. Finally, let's touch upon drug discovery, one of the most promising applications of quantum computing. Quantum computing can be used to simulate complex molecular systems and accelerate the process of discovering new drugs. By simulating the interactions of molecules in the body, scientists can identify potential drug candidates and optimize their properties. This can greatly speed up the drug development process and lead to new treatments for diseases. In summary, the video discussed the basics of quantum computing and how it differs from classical computing. It also highlighted the current state of quantum computing, including the companies and organizations competing to develop the first practical quantum computer, as well as the potential applications of quantum computing in areas such as cryptography, machine learning, and drug discovery. It is important to note that quantum computing is a rapidly advancing field with the potential to revolutionize the way we process information and solve problems.
This is what you do in the famous double slit experiment. You close one of the paths, and then you see that now the thing that previously never happened now can happen.
Companies, governments, and research institutions around the world are investing heavily in research and development in this field, and we can expect to see more breakthroughs and practical applications of quantum computing in the near future. It's essential to continue the research and development in this field to fully harness the power of quantum computing and its potential impact on the future. Quantum computing is a fascinating and rapidly advancing field with the potential to change the way we process information and solve problems. We encourage viewers to learn more about quantum computing and its potential impact on the future, whether it be through further research, taking a course, or following the latest developments in the field. As we've seen in the video, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including cryptography, machine learning, and drug discovery. It's exciting to imagine the possibilities, and we hope that our video has sparked your interest in this cutting-edge technology. We look forward to seeing the advancements that will be made in quantum computing in the near future, and we hope you will join us in keeping an eye on this exciting field.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends to spread the knowledge.